Hi guys! Mandy with Tidy Sticky Mama here, and who wants to fold some adorable baby clothes? Nesting mamas, this one's for you. Baby clothes are so tiny. I'll just hang everything. I mean, you could, but then you need a million of these things. And trust me, you'll fit way more in their dresser and closet if you could fold them rather than try to hang it all up, which is great because baby clothes are the cutest. Now, I did only cover baby specific things in here: onesies, rompers, footed sleepies, sleep sacks, that sort of thing. So if you're looking for more like shirts and pants and stuff that kids of all ages wear, hop over to the KonMari Kids video where I cover all of that stuff. So between that and this, you'll be able to fold everything that comes through that baby's dresser. If you've got something different and you're not quite sure what to do with it, drop me a comment. Let me know. Maybe I can help you out. I've got 3 kids and I have folded so many baby clothes at this point. I'm sure I can find something to help. So let's get started. Let's start with onesies. Fasten the snaps so it's solid and flip face down. Fold in the sides so that they meet in the middle. Then I fold into thirds, bottom to top. At this size, it's a little unstable, so instead I'll fold it in half and then in half again. Much better. Same basic process with a long sleeve onesie. Still fasten up and flip. Follow the shoulder seam and fold the sleeve in and then down along the body. Folding each of the sides to meet in the middle again. Fold in thirds and stand up. Notice how starting face down means you can still see the cute graphic on the front. I showed you 2 different sizes on purpose so you can see how size influences the fold. The long sleeves was a newborn size and the short sleeve is 18 months. Through 12 months, onesies will stand up well just folded in thirds at the end. But 18 months starts being floppy, so I fold it in half, then half again to give it more structure. Ends up more uniform that way too. Rompers are pretty much like onesies. Start by fastening any buttons so that you're working with solid fabric. Flip, or if there's a cute bum you want showing, leave it face up. Fold the sides in, but this time they'll overlap a bit. Then you fold in half, and then half again. Nice and tidy. Up to 18 months though, you can also fold in thirds as a final step instead. Thirds will be your easiest option up to 9 months. If you have a long sleeved romper, fold it like footed pajamas. Footed pajamas seem harder than they are. The trick with all of this is just making a rectangle though. Fasten it up and flip it over. Again, you can leave it if there's a cute bum. Fold the sleeves in horizontally along the shoulder. Then, flatten the feet and bring them up on top of the sleeves. It takes a little bit of fiddling, but you get used to it. Fold in half lengthwise, then bottom to top. That's it, all done. This works on sizes up to 3T. Quick reminder before we fold the rest of the stuff here that if you are looking for basic pants and shirts to head over to the KonMari Kids clothes video. Now for some wee baby linens, starting with Bibs. Again, put it face down, fold down the neck, fold in half, and finish in thirds. Now you've got one cute tiny dumpling. It really doesn't get much easier than Burp cloths. Just fold it in half, then in thirds. Put the round end inside if there is one. It'll stand up better. Sleep sacks, make sure they're zipped and velcroed, and turn them face down. The swaddle ones are more bulky, but basically the same. Bring the sides in, more at the bottom because it's wider there and we want to make a nice rectangle. Then, bottom to top, and finish in thirds. Ta-da! Now for some real magic, a Boppy cover. Yeah, you can fold that. Tricky, but doable. Fold in half, matching the legs. Fold in the round end so it makes a skirt shape, and fold the small edge to the big one. Fold in the wings to make a rectangle, fold in half, and voila! Nice tidy Boppy cover. Changing pad covers are basically tiny fitted sheets. No biggie. Flip it so the elastic side is up. We're going to tuck two corners into the others along the length of the cover. Smooth this out a bit so it makes a rectangle shape. Fold the sides in, overlapping them. Fold in thirds starting from the thinner end and stand up. Crib sheets start exactly the same way, but they're bigger and floppier, so you're gonna need some extra folds for structure. Match up the corners and smooth it out just like the changing pad cover, trying to get it as rectangular as you can. Don't worry though if it's a little bit blobby, it'll work out. Take your short edges and fold them to meet in the middle, like doors. Then, fold in half lengthwise. You can flip it over to smooth it out if you'd like. Take the thin end to meet the thick end, then fold in half again that same way. If you have shallow drawers or just want a little more structure in your fold, do the final fold in thirds instead. Look at you folding fitted sheets like a pro. Thanks for watching. Hopefully you found that useful. Give me a thumbs up if so. Make sure you subscribe so you don't miss anything else on the channel. Do be sure to check out that KonMari playlist so you can see how to fold the rest of the family's clothes too. Bye guys. See you next time. Hi guys. And that's great because grandmas like to shop. Then you need a million of these things. Ugh.